Now we are going to do this question, which is in Young's double slit experiment. The separation of D between the slits is 2 mm. The wavelength lambda of the light used is 5896 and the distance D between the screen slit is 100 centimeter. It is found that the angular width of the fringe is 0.20 degree. To increase the fringe angular width to 0.21 degree, the same lambda and d, the separation between the slits need to be changed. So the options are 1.8 mm, 1.9 mm, 1.7 mm and 2.1 mm. So as you all know, we have to first find out the angular width. So the use the formula for of the angular width over here. So lambda is equal to, sorry, we have to find the angular width. So just a second. So the angular width is equal to lambda upon d. Okay. Now the angular width is given, which is 0.20, and lambda upon distance will be the 2 mm. Okay. So the lambda will be 0.4. Okay. So the lambda we have found is 0.4 degree. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to do the calculation for this. Like now the putting the value of lambda in the condition of 0.21 degree. Okay. So 21 degree is equal to lambda upon d to find the distance. It's 0.21, or we can say that just take it over there and take the d over here. Okay. So I will do it over here so that we can find the answer correctly. Because so d is equal to 0.20 into 2 mm upon 0.21. So after calculating it, we will get 1.9. So the correct answer is 1.9 mm. So the correct answer will be this.